Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Ads Manager for AI audience automation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.facebook.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Enter your email address or phone number linked to your Facebook account. Next, type in your password carefully. Make sure both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. After logging in, navigate to the top left corner of the page. Click on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down the menu until you find Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager to open the portal. If you're using Ads Manager for the first time, follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. Once in Ads Manager, look for the Audiences tab on the left sidebar. Click Audiences to explore audience options. To create a new audience, click the Create Audience button. Select the type of audience you want to set up. For AI audience automation, choose Lookalike Audience or Custom Audience. Fill in the required details about your target audience. Utilize Facebook's AI and targeting features for better results. Once your specifications are set, click Create Audience. You can then automate options by setting up audience rules. Utilize the available settings to fine-tune your automation strategy. Review all options to ensure they meet your campaign goals. Finally, save your settings before exiting Ads Manager. This completes the process of logging in and setting up AI audience automation in Facebook Ads Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.